Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Reviewer Winspections, the go-to destination for best heating pads if you're new here. I'm Nathan, and thrilled to have you join our community. Today's video is going to be top 5 heating pads, something I'm passionate about, and I think you'll love it too. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. It helps out the channel. Alright, let's get into today's content. Number 1. Pure Enrichment Pure Relief Ultra Wide Micro Plush Heating Pad. Pure Enrichment's Pure Relief Ultra Wide Micro Plush Heating Pad is a cross between a super comfy blanket and a heating pad you can fine-tune to your preferences. Made of micro plush, this heating pad provides 6 heat levels, which you can adjust using an ergonomic LCD controller. It's designed to heat up instantly, and you can select between 105 to 140 F of heat. You can also switch between dry and moist heat by dampening the pad. And automatically shuts off after 2 hours, should you doze off. At just 1.9 pounds, this heating pad is lightweight, but its dimensions of 20 by 24 inches provide plenty of coverage for the neck, shoulders, back, and legs. It provides plenty of warmth and relief for muscle soreness and joint pain. Plus, its machine washable 20x24 size provides maximum coverage for your back, shoulders, legs, abdomen, and more muscles to relieve aches, stiffness, and joint pain. Number 2. Bed Buddy Neck Warmer Microwave Heating Pad. The Carix Bed Buddy Heat Pad and Cooling Neck Wrap contains an organic filling of grains and herbs that holds heat or cold. Pop it in the microwave to create moist heat, or store it in the freezer for a cooling wrap to treat swelling or injury. Handles on either end help it stay in place, or press the heating pad into the skin for deeper heat penetration. Microwavable neck wrap is a heating pad similar to rice bags for heat therapy you've seen on TV, but the Bed Buddy contains natural grains that provide moist heat. The microwave heat pad is white in color and your hot pack is filled with natural grains. Similar to a rice heating pad, this form-fitting microwave neck wrap easily conforms to the shape of your body even when cold. Wrap the heating bag around sore joints or muscles for targeted therapy with warming relief similar to electric heating pads. Number 3. Sunbeam Heating Pad. The Sunbeam Heating Pad for neck and shoulder features an extra tall, adjustable collar to cover the entire back of the neck and into the scalp. In total, this pad measures 22 by 19 inches, making it large enough for men and women. The Sunbeam also includes 4 heating settings and a removable, washable cover made of soft micromink. Meanwhile, you can keep your feet warm with some of the best heated insoles or best heated slippers. Contoured for direct heat therapy, Contoured Heat Wrap delivers gentle heat to the neck and back of the head. The product stays in place. Tall collar, extra tall, adjustable collar provides a snug fit around the neck. Snug fit, slightly weighted edges and magnetic closure ensure personalized fit and comfort. Wattage, 55 watts. Customizable, the controller lets you choose from 4 heat levels. Super soft and easy care, soft micromink fabric cover is machine washable for quick cleaning. Watts, 75 watts /. Number 4. Sunbeam Cordless Heating Pad. Looking for targeted relief from cramps? Sunbeam's cordless heat pad is designed with a micro plush covering that measures 12 inches by 9.5 inches, and a strap that adjusts up to 55 inches. This heating pad provides 3 levels of heat and is battery powered so that you can wear it around your home. The lithium-ion battery also runs for up to 4 hours on a single charge and runs at a frequency of 60 Hz. You can also use it on your back, neck, shoulders, and legs. Once you're feeling better, the cover is removable and machine washable. The cordless Go Heat Sunbeam heating pad delivers pain relief anywhere and anytime you need it. The rechargeable battery and easy-to-use battery unit fit into the pad pocket. Portable and rechargeable. The portable heating pad uses a rechargeable, lithium-ion battery that runs for up to 4 hours on a single charge on low setting. Number 5. Sunbeam Heating Pad for Back, Neck. If you're looking for an inexpensive heating pad that provides moist heat, consider the Sunbeam Heating Pad for back, neck, and shoulder pain relief. At 12 inches by 15 inches, this electric heating pad can help provide relief to a smaller area than some other heating pads. But you can adjust the temperature in the 3 settings, ranging from 110 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Designed to help with arthritis, and shoulder, neck, and back pain, this heating pad is also equipped with a sponge insert to provide moist heat in addition to dry heat. Plus, you can remove the cover to wash it. The electric heating pad features ultra heat technology for consistent heat and greater comfort. HSA/FSA eligible. The heat pad has an easy-to-use controller with extra-large slide buttons specifically designed for arthritis sufferers. 3 heat settings so you can customize the intensity of heat. Cord length: 108 inch. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.